Hey, what's up, guys? My name is John. Welcome to another video. So we are here in my kitchen with a little update on the LPH Max 4-in-1 Smart Hydroponics System. I've just had this thing running for just honestly a few days. I think I started on Thanksgiving, which would be Thursday of last week. It's Monday, so Thursday was day zero, really. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then today. So today is technically, it's not quite day 4 because of the way it works. So yeah, I got a little update on it. So let me show you. So here we are. You can see if I hit the little button, you can see it does say growing days, 3 days. The temperature is 22 degrees. And I left it as Celsius. I need to change that to Fahrenheit so I don't have to do the conversion. And you can see that the lighting's still set to come on at 7 o'clock and go off at 2300, which is 11 o'clock. And you can see the water level there is still good. And then the pump is operating. But what's more exciting is what I'm going to show you now. So I'm gonna lift the light up some if I can. Let me pause and do it, and I'll come right back. Okay, so sorry, it's a little hard with one hand to do the telescopic. So here's what's exciting. So as you remember in the first video where I actually did the unboxing and starting the seeds, I started 2 tomatoes, 2 coriander or 2 cilantro, 2 peppers, and 2 basil. And the really cool thing is, you take these lids off, the basil has already sprouted. And you can see what the leaves look like. Just like that, okay? Also, what's super cool is I have my very first tomato. Well, tomato seedling, if I should say. So yeah, it was remember those are the micro tom. I'm gonna leave these on for now. Still nothing on the peppers. As you can see there, the seed's still there. Okay, and then on the cilantro, nothing just yet. So, but that's about where I put the lighting. Is at about the 4 or 5 inch mark. You can go a little bit lower. That's like pretty much the first set there. So yeah, I wanted to bring you that little quick update because the seeds for the basil and one of the tomatoes has already sprouted. So super excited. Quick germination. Like I said, this is day 3, almost day 4, because it's not quite there of when I actually turned the system on. So you're looking at 3 days, almost 4 days for germination. So that's a huge thumbs up, and I haven't really done anything to the system. I haven't really touched it. Like, I moved it from the table that I had it on into here, because that was our dining room table and we need to eat. So, but other than that, it's doing good. It's working really well, and so yeah. And I'll be having regular updates on this moving forward for the most part, because I'm going to be using this to start some seeds for spring. In addition to growing some plants indoors, which is what this is for. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions. And basically that's it. If you want to see the video on where I unbox it and get it set up, I'll put a link here somewhere. But until next time, keep on growing.